everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have the Ipsy Glam Bag. This little gem is $12 a month and you get 5 sample size products, and a lot of times they'll throw you in a little full-size product as well, and it is one of my favorites that I get. They also have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and it's $25. Then they also now have the Ultimate, which is $50. I've gotten the Ultimate several times. I'll put up in an iCard if you want to see some of those videos, but I did cancel that one and I kept this. All right, when you pull it out, you have this little bag, and it is kind of that slate marble design, and it has some pink right here and the little Ipsy emblem on the zipper. And there's no texture to it, it's just smooth. All right, let's see. All right, pull out my card here. Pulling out the card, it says clean slate. So I told you it has that slate design there. And let's see what's in it. This does not tell me what is in the Ipsy bag. This just has a little thing that says manifest your best year yet, which if you have been watching my openings, that is my goal this year, is to live my best life in 2020. All right, I guess we're gonna wing it. That is the only thing about Ipsy lately. It is hit or miss whether we're getting a card that has the products in it and letting us know what we are getting. All right, the first thing is this. It's by Glow Recipe. It says Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and it's a makeup erasing deep cleansing gentle 3-in-1 makeup eraser, cleanser and mask that hydrates without stripping. So that's nice. I'll throw that. I like the little sample size of cleansers because they're great for travel. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Theory Body. It's a charcoal bamboo detoxifying body scrub, exfoliant pool. Oh, that is not in English, so I will not be going any further. Gently massage into wet skin and rinse. That's a really cute packaging, and that's good size, so I would kind of consider that a deluxe sample. See if it's got, yeah, got the little safety seal, but I can smell it, and it smells really, really good. Next up, I'm pulling out, I'm trying to hold everything in my lap, the Misho Beauty, by Misho Beauty, and it is a Luxe Lacquer. So let's try open this. Ooh, look at that. That is gorgeous. That is like a navy blue, and the packaging is so adorable. I told you, usually we get something that's full size. I wish I knew what this was worth because it is gorgeous. I have green on. I need to redo my nails, but let's see if we can kind of see maybe a little bit what it would look like. It goes on so nice. That is gorgeous. Take into account it is over green, but it is beautiful. I love that. Then I have something in a little bubble wrap. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. It has been snowing here. Yesterday it snowed. We got about 2 inches, and it's gorgeous to watch out there and look at it. This is by Real Her, and it is a eyeshadow, Incomparable. Let's see. This is what the color looks like. Of course, I don't usually need to use the singles because I have palettes and oodles of palettes. So I'll be putting this in a giveaway for one of you to try. And then I have one more item in here. This is by Context. Ooh, liquid lacquer, it says. This looks like a lippy. Ooh, pretty. All right. I wish I could read about it. That's the only thing about the cards, is I don't know anything about it except that it is 0.12 ounces, but we'll try a little. All right, let's try this out and see what that looks like. That is thick stuff. That's nice. I like it. That's a real nice neutral color. All right, let's do a little recap here. Since this is full size and the nail lacquer are both the full size items, I will put across the screen what the value is on these. I'll try to look them up and see if I can find them. But we have the nail lacquer, we have the lippy, the little blueberry cleanser, the Theory body scrub. So we got two like cleansing items, and the little Real Her eyeshadow single. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out, and I will see you in my next video.